What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of Jump Rope Fitness and Lifestyle people. Today we have a very special guest with us. We have Leah, the master shuffler. She's an absolute boss when it comes to shuffling peeps. By the way, do you want to say hello to the fans?
Yeah, hello fans.
Sorry, I didn't give you a chance. I'm just like,
hello guys.
I'm really shit at this intro. She has insane skills, folks, and she's come down all the way from France and she wanted to come down and teach me some shuffle moves. We've got 5 new moves.
Yeah.
5 super cool moves, super cool tricks that you're gonna try and do with your skipping ropes. And as you know, the dance step, jump rope game is taking off on the social media world. And I'm bad at it, but we're gonna try and get better and hopefully help you, okay? So we're gonna go through these quickly, okay? Folks, if you wanna learn anything from Leah's channel, work, she has an app. I'm gonna leave everything in the description. I'm gonna be bad at this, but we're gonna go through as quick as possible. So.
Guys, I'm French. It's super hard to pronounce the H. House happy feet.
How would you show someone who has no skills, i.e. me, how to do this move?
See here, it's perfect because you have letters.
Yeah.
So, imagine here is the middle letter, and here there is 2 sides.
Yep.
Okay. Now you're going to put the weight to the front, to the middle, and you're going to open. Try to open both feet to the side. Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
And you're just going to transfer the weight one side to the other.
Right.
People are used to do like just.
Got you.
The difference?
Yep.
Now I need to open both.
Okay, so how would you do this with the skipping rope now?
Ah.
This is the main bit. Fine.
Now you're going to do middle.
Yep.
Same. But
okay.
It's easier to do small steps.
Got you.
Yeah, good.
It's not good, is it?
Yeah, no,
it's okay.
It's good. Can I do it from the back?
Yeah, cool.
So they can see.
Yeah. Nice.
See, this leg is opening.
Okay.
Both
so this
legs
is happy feet, guys. All right, guys, so the second variation, going through this as quick as possible, is crisscross.
Yeah.
So how does the crisscross look?
This one is super fun.
Yeah.
It looks like tac, 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 tac,
Oh,
tac,
gosh.
tac, tac,
So this one looks like the ones when I see shuffling people.
Yeah.
I feel like this is like their main intro move.
Yeah.
This is their main move. Okay, so what's the first step?
You're going to cross legs.
Yeah?
Perfect, yeah. And toes looking to the outside.
God, this is...
Yeah, knees as well, outside.
Knees this way?
These toes a bit more.
Like
yeah,
this?
Good.
Okay,
and
okay.
Now,
Yeah.
knees to, when you uncross, knees to the inside.
This way?
Yeah, perfect. Cross outside, toes. It doesn't matter which foot you bring to the front. Yeah, perfect. And now uncross, in. Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Got you.
In, out.
Oh.
In.
So one thing is, right,
out.
this is hurting my hips a little bit. This is a really cool step, peeps.
It's just kind of
do you know what, when you do it, like, it just looks so smooth. When obviously when I'm doing it, it's gonna look shit.
Yeah. But I cannot jump more than like 30 seconds.
Okay, I'm gonna give it a go.
Okay.
Okay, so this is, again, guys, if you're watching this, this is just a rundown on when we get through all the 5, just a nice way that you guys can try and incorporate dance step, shuffle step into your rope game. And you're learning from the best, one of the best in the world for sure. All right, so 1, 2.
Out, in, out, in.
Now I've kind of gone back to my old step.
Yeah, you got it.
I think I find it easier on one side like this.
Yeah,
kinda.
you can keep just one side. Same forward.
Oh my God. I feel like I'm getting, it's kind of like my old style of doing it, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good.
Variation number 3, folks, this is called shape aside. This is the one that I see a lot of people doing online. Show us shape aside.
Yeah, same Logan is doing this one here. It's kick, jump,
kick,
jump, open.
Open. All right, so this one, when you guys get this one looks really nice actually. This one is the one that not that I would probably try and use for myself, but when I see it, I think it looks nice. It looks
flowy.
It looks nice, yeah. Okay, so show us with the rope a little bit.
Okay.
Let's see how this one looks with the rope. Yeah, this is nice. That's really, put it there, man, by the way. This girl's sick, you know. This is what we call South London lingo.
Lingo?
Lingo. Lingo is like slang, you know slang?
Nope.
Slang is like...
yeah. Like,
it's not
okay,
English.
Okay.
Let's carry on with the video.
Need to do that.
So shape aside, so kick out this way.
Yeah.
Something like that?
Yeah, good.
Was that? So kick up,
jump,
there.
out.
Okay.
And open both legs.
Open both legs when you go to the
and
side.
now you start with left one.
Okay, and then you go here,
Left,
right?
Boom.
Boom, boom,
Yeah.
boom.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Kick up, out, boom, boom. Ah,
Yeah.
nearly. Listen, we're gonna have loads of slow motions. We're gonna have loads of cool B-roll just to, so you don't have to watch my crappiness, okay? Number 4 people, we have scissors, okay? This one you've been telling me behind the scenes is a little bit tricky, right?
Yeah, this one is sick.
Okay, let's see. Let's see scissors.
Tact.
Okay. I might skip me doing this one, yeah?
So.
I don't think I'm going to do this one.
Just try without the rub.
Okay, I'll try.
Fun.
Okay, yeah.
I'm showing the back side.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, just lift one leg, let's say right. Now you're going to kick here, but at the same time, twist the hips.
Oh, that looks
and
sick.
keep the shoulders facing forward because you have the jump.
See, this is the thing. This is how you do the little, how you make it look so smooth. Like keeping shoulders forward and hips this way, right?
Imagine if people were doing like...
Yeah.
It takes so much time to come back.
These are the small tips.
Yeah,
these are the things that why you look so smooth when you do it. Okay, so, this takes a lot of brain power.
Yeah.
Guys, if you're following this, I don't know. I'm going to have to show loads of slow motions for this one. Let's see again, let's see you do it again. Because I think you doing it is more important.
Tap.
Yep. One this way.
Open.
Okay, so that's the first step.
Switch. 1, 2, open.
Ah, yeah, okay.
1, switch. 2,
okay.
open. Switch.
This one, yeah? Ah, okay.
Right.
You see, your boy can still learn, right? Okay, let's see it with the rope. Very nice. And that's scissors, guys. Number 5 people running through super quick is the skater run.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is skater running man. Let's see it live, nice and quick.
It's like a running man.
Yeah.
But you add a little skate here.
I got you.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Oh, right, got you.
With the rope, you have to jump, like.
Yeah, got you. So the nice little thing is the little slide, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very nice.
I'm putting weight to the front.
This is nice. Folks, that's how easy you can make it look. A lot of practice. Is it? How many hours do you say you practiced today before you got to this level?
1 hour per day for 4 months.
1 hour. See, this is the dedication.
Yeah.
This is dedication in life you need to get good at something. But with a rope, it's nice as well because we get a nice workout. All the good benefits of skipping. Okay, I'm going to try this one now.
You start here, like in bicycle, you know?
Yeah.
Preparing.
This is a tough move,
Check.
man.
You're here and you're going on your...
Yeah. That, right?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. And then the next move is like the slide, right?
Jump middle.
Jump middle.
All to the middle. Yeah, perfect.
Kinda. Guys, I'm not made for this. I don't think my brain allows me to be good at dancing or shuffling and footwork. I don't know what it's made for, my brain.
Skipping.
Skipping. Just
For
normal
hours and hours.
boxer step. This was just a quick video, by the way, to show what you could do with your footwork, with the rope, just a bit of fun. And let's just see it without the rope now. Let's just enjoy how you throw it away. Okay, music coming in the background in 3,
In 3, 2,
1. That was nice. Well done. Okay, yeah, yeah. All right, peeps. Big up to Johan. Thank you for the production. Folks, I think we'll wrap that one up. Thanks for coming down. You're an absolute legend. Check her out. Look at all her work. You do classes, you do an app. She's got loads of cool things happening, and she's one of the best in the world at what she does. So, do you want to say bye or anything to the fans?
Bye.
Guys, a lot of love. Drop this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, hit the subscribe button. And if you need anything, copy ropes. You see my links. Rush 10 for 10% discount. As always, thank you for your love and support. We'll see you in the next video. So until next time, take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.
Is this Rush or Wuxia?
Rush.
Rush.
Rush is good.
Rush.